Namaskar, I am Manoj Kumar. Welcome to in the program Press Meet. In this program, we cover press conference, media interaction, and a speech of the chief guest at the program. So, without spending so much time, let's go to the event.
My name is Bharat Jain and I've been associated with Career Launcher for almost 22 years. Career Launcher is a 28-year-old organization which has almost 200 plus centers pan-India. We have been preparing students for various exams like CAT, CLAT, IPMAT. CAT is an exam which is the most popular exam for all the IIMs which provide an MBA to the kids after their graduation. Same way, IPMAT is an exam which provides the child an MBA right after their 12th, which is a 5-year integrated program. Same way, CLAT is an admission test for all the national law universities of the country, barring one, that is National Law University Delhi, which has its own exam, that is ALIET exam. So this is what we have been doing for the last 20 years for the students. Year on year, if I see the Tri-City toppers, they have been coming from Career Launcher. Even this year, the Tri-City topper of CLAT has been Jairaj from Career Launcher. Alright. So this is all what we have been doing for these many years, providing the students with the guidance to crack all these exams. This year, 112 students have cracked various exams with us and they have got into the top national law universities of the country, right? And various other law schools and the management schools of the country like IIM Rohtak, Symbiosis, Narsi Monjing, all these places. All classes are in hybrid mode, so they are offline as well as online also. So the child has complete relaxation of taking his classes even at the odd hours also. Then we also provide certain very good specialized classes to the kids, whether it is a mock analysis or this newspaper analysis and all those things which we provide. In Chandigarh we have 2 centers. We have one sector in sector 35 and one center in sector 8. In all the nearest other centers we have a center in Patiala also. So these 3 centers are all close by. Definitely these kids have been doing good for us and we would like to keep on, I would say, helping them in their journey towards all these things. See, my only advice is, if you feel you want to do something, please don't wait. Start immediately because the situation, the paper, the number of takers is becoming very competitive. So, right in your platform, you should start with these things now. In fact, I would say, even if you are in your 10th, you should start thinking because the early you start, the early you will make it.
For that, I'm very thankful to Career Launcher.
So I was enrolled in the 2-year program at Career Launchers for CLAT. The first year, personally for me, was a little wobbly because I didn't know what I was doing. Like Jairaj, I come from a house that has no lawyers. My mother is a doctor, my father was in the army. Nobody really knew anything about law or anything. They put complete faith in me and also Career Launchers. I was so grateful for the faculty's support. Anytime, any sort of concerns I had, I was never turned away. They were always ready to take doubt sessions. So the program is something, if anybody comes up to me and asks me, law karna hai, kahan jaye, I would definitely say take up the 2-year program because the first year you'll feel a little bit out of place, you'll not know what to do, what not to do. So the second year puts you in place. It stresses you out a lot, of course, because if you're serious about an exam, you will be stressed. But definitely, the support that you get from the team members here, all of them, each and every one of them, it's immeasurable, and that is what will help you sail through. Special thanks to my mom, dad, and my nanny. All of them were a little bit skeptical about law, कि क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, NLU जाना है, कौन सा जाना है. But not once did they put all of that burden on me, कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. They were like, तू कर, हम देखेंगे. So thank you for that.
Would really like to thank everyone here, especially Karan sir, Muskan ma'am, Pranav sir, who helped me a lot in this journey. I would fall and cry, literally bawling my eyes out that I cannot do this anymore. But they were always there to support me, lend me their shoulders to cry on, and always motivate me. And my parents who have been there in every step of the journey. Thank you so much.
Firstly, everyone at CL, thank you so much for having us. And I joined CL in June 2022, right before I was about to start my 11th. And at first, like Radha said, we were both together in the same batch, and like she said, I had absolutely no clue in the first few months what was happening. I just attended classes very, very diligently, and I came every weekend, and slowly and slowly, the first class that I had was of Upma ma'am, and I have to admit I have insane amount of personal bias for her. I have come with stacks of mocks to her and shown her every single doubt, and she has patiently heard me rant about how I'm not able to score, how my score has become stagnant, and she's always been very, very patient. Thank you to all the other teachers, Karan sir, your notes have been exceptionally helpful, and I think not everyone here has shared their mock scores. My first mock score was 49, and it went on till 122, 130 when the pattern was 150, and so that is the kind of growth that you see with CL, and I'm really, really grateful. Thank you so much.
Serious. My colleague's son, he said कि आंटी एक बार उनके पास छोड़ दो और फिर भूल जाओ, and that is what I did. I joined CL and then I forget it because that was PU ma'am. I used to talk a lot to PU ma'am about what is going with CL, what is going with Gerard, and I used to tell her that my son is a brilliant child, but there are lots and lots of distractions, and believe me, as a mother, as a parent, I'm telling you, gadgets, they are huge lot of distractions, even when the child is very, very sensitive. So that is the only thing you have to watch. Be behind your child, keeping away from the gadgets without letting him know that you are watching him. That is the best part, that you have to show that you are not watching him and you have to watch your child. And then just let the child fly, he will definitely shine.
So would you also like to speak something?
He was gifted child from birth. We just supported whatever endeavor he was in. We never interfered with his choice. So
He's very lucky to have parents like you, I must say. And Jairaj himself is a very good human being. You have nurtured him, and the values you have instilled, they are very evident. And we are very, very proud to have you here with us. And we are going to tell your stories to our future students, like I always do in my classroom. And thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
I would like to invite Sir Bharat to come and speak about his experience, and that's incredible. Please put your hands together for his achievement. Congratulations, Jairaj.